This video is about the rules that define my system. My system is based upon these rules, and the rules can be applied to just about anything in life. It's just a matter of understanding the rules and how they work. Now the first rule is that of definitions. It's just an object defined by a list of items. And the example I have here is that of water. Normally you check the first 3 or 4 items on the list, and you ignore the rest of them. There could be hundreds of items on the list. As far as water goes, it came out of a marked bottle, it's clear, and it can be scientifically defined as H2O. Normally you can assume that those 3 items are correct. It's what you're looking for. Once you have one item defined, it creates a situation where there's an object exists where all the items left unmarked, as you can see in the example. The rule here. They have opposites. The first item's everything's marked, and the second's left unmarked. An example I use here is photography. Light consists of all colors, and dark is the lack of all colors. And dark colors are left unchecked, and light are checked. That creates the rule of the scale. You see, one side's left heavier than the other. That's because it always affects everything with the scale. Either something on 2 sides opposites, one's always heavier than the other. But if it's not, it creates a neutral balance where nothing has affected and nothing can be affected by it. But this 2 sets of opposites creates the cross. Object 1, object 2. Here, object 3, the first 2 items are checked, and the second 2 are left unchecked. In object 4, the first 2 are unchecked, and the last 2 are checked. This creates the cross. All situations are one of the other 4 sides. And my example is here. The hero can win, the villain can win, there remain conflict, confusion, or compromise. And that's what writing is all about. It's about creating conflict and have the characters figure them out. Once you have the cross, it creates another effect, that of the tree. In this case, you start at the base. You can figure out levels 1, 2, and 3. It's just a matter of applying the rules and figuring them out. Once you have the tree, you have a ladder effect. The first level, second level, third level, and fourth level. Unlike the tree, the ladder effect comes whenever you figure them out. How to perform them, or do whatever it is. Whereas the tree, intellectually you can figure it out. The ladder, it's a matter of obtaining it physically. Just because you know it doesn't mean you can accomplish it with the ladder. It's like a security stairwell. There's a lock and a key that you have to figure out before you can get there. And here, as you can see, the stairwell. It's the checkpoint A, B, C, and D. Once you figure out how to get past the checkpoints, you can always do it. Once you have the cross, you have the spider plant. That says there's just the first cross, and each branch from the cross creates another cross. You have your 2, 3, 4, and 5th crosses from the first one. And the next rule is patterns. That says that in the same situation, the same circumstances, the same effect will always apply. Whereas you spill a glass of water, wherever there's gravity, the water will fall out and hit the ground. But it can be applied to other things as well, as you'll see in other videos that I have.